As India continues to assert its dominance in the global AI landscape, a new player has emerged to shake the ground. Sarvam, the country's latest AI unicorn, has just secured a staggering $234 million of funding round led by the tech giant, S.C.A.L.A. Tech. This monumental investment is set to propel Sarvam to new heights, and we're here to break down what it means for the future of AI in India. Sarvam's AI technology is designed to streamline business operations, making it an attractive prospect for investors. By leveraging machine learning algorithms and natural language processing, Sarvam's platform can automate mundane tasks, freeing up employees to focus on high-value work. For instance, a company using Sarvam's AI can reduce data entry time by up to 80%, allowing their customer support team to respond to queries in record time. But what makes Sarvam stand out from the competition? The key lies in its ability to analyze vast amounts of